Revival is not just a moment. It's a journey, a process of returning to our true nature as believers. It's a heartfelt recognition of, and a deep relationship with, the one true God. Like a tree planted by rivers of water, revival reconnects our fellowship with God, nourishing our soul to bear fruit in His perfect timing. Psalm 1:3 says, "And he shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water, that bringeth forth his fruit in his season. His leaf also shall not wither, and whatsoever he doeth shall prosper." True revival brings us back to the source, where our faith flourishes and prospers in God's presence. Are you ready to reconnect today? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Green Pastures for more inspiration rooted in God's Word.